Hey, what's up guys? So are you tired of searching a way to install Google Chrome on Firestick but cannot find any helpful guide? Then you are in the right place. Make sure to stay with this video tutorial and I'm gonna show you how you can install Google Chrome browser on your Firestick step by step. Let's begin. So first of all, we need to turn on apps from unknown source. Without this, we cannot sideload any application on our Firestick. So just hover to search icon, slide down and click on My Fire TV. And here again slide down and click on Developer Options. So scroll down Apps from unknown source and press Remote Select button. Warning message appear on your screen, so select Turn On. So apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here we need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party applications. Through this app, we install Google Chrome browser on our Firestick. So hover to Find, slide down and click on Search. Now type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on downloader. And here click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Firestick. So just click on download button and the downloader app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see, downloader app has been installed. Now select open to launch. When you launch downloader app first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photos, media and files. So just select allow and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. And guys, this is the home screen of downloader app that has only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hover to small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type here app URL address exactly as it's showing on your screen. After typing URL address, click on Go button and it will connecting to server. After that, Chrome browser downloaded in few seconds depending on your internet connection. After downloaded, installation section appear on your screen. So here click on install button. So guys, here as you can see, Chrome browser app has been installed. Now click on done button and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete and again, after deleting backup file, hold remote home button for few seconds. Click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Firestick device. So slide down and click on Chrome browser. When you launch Google Chrome browser first time, this section appear on your screen. So here click on accept and continue. So guys, this is the home screen of Google Chrome browser, and you can use this method to download Chrome browser on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments and below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.